everyone. In this particular training, I am going to show you how to compile and what is the command in real time portal example. Actually, this is Synopsys portal. Here I got an opportunity to find a real time example to the students to get an idea what commands we will be using to compile and simulate our design. So first step is about compilation. Let me show you how to compile the design and what is the command we used to compile your design, right? So yeah, right. So from here I'm fetching the command. This is a make file, and from here I'm fetching the command. So this is the command line to be used to compile the design, right? So first of all, what are all these arguments? So many of you will get confused, right? What are these arguments actually, right? And how, like, if I just copy those all arguments here, paste all those arguments here, so it will not be getting exercised because uh, these particular switches are part of the script, but here I don't have those things, right? That is the reason it will just give an error. So how we can fix that, right? So coming back to the basically command line, right? First of all, what is the command line that I'm running? So here if you see, this VCH is the switch to bring up the compilation tool from Synopsys, and this particular other remaining all switches are enabling the compilation stage, right? So these are certain things like in the script basically, which is actually reducing the command line which we are passing. This is some we are assigning to this, like it's a variable assignment kind of thing in Teckle script. So yeah, we are assigning certain things to this particular SVTB, and we are passing as an argument. Like, let me show you now. Okay, what I do is I will just pick up these file names directly instead of using that $svtb, right? And I will be replacing $rtl also with the actual file names here. So I'll just copy this and paste it here, right? This is the first thing, and second thing is copying the RTL. So I will be replacing $RTL with the this thing. So this is how the arguments are being passed, along with there are compilation options also. So these are the like a different switches which are passed in the script, but here I am just trying to show you, oh, there are no compilation options. If there are any compilation options, you see it's empty. So if there are any compilation options, then it will be directly passed. Okay, let me see here first. Like still I'll just make sure there are no compilation options. Okay, after that I'll run this command to simulate compile the design, first step. Okay, so you see design got compiled, and it will generate a binary format file, right, which is for simulation. The next command is for simulation. Okay, here again I will pick up the simulation command from here, running the command to run the this thing. So I'll just pick up until this only. This is sufficient for me. The reason is I don't want to give any particular random seed here, and there are no runtime options, so I will be using this much, right? So that's all. The simulation ran, and it will generate a dump file. Okay, VCD file or VPD file depends on the tool's readable format, right? So is it running or what is the case here? So basically my intention was to show you the command line. Okay, it seems it got hanged probably. I'll just look into the reason again. So actually we are not using the make file yet. Probably that is the reason, something gone wrong here. Okay. So apart from that, this is the like a switch to run the simulation. Okay. Run the simulation basically. That's all. Thank you. So we had gone through and found two command lines to run the compile the design and simulate the design. Okay. So yeah, I got the reason it was not running. So let me use GUI, right? If we do like this, what happens, right? It will pick up the one of the user interface. Then you can simulate the design. Actually, that's the way. Okay. So here you can see Word is been popped up. It's one of the debug tool. Okay. So I just want to wind up this particular training because this training was intended to show you the commands for run compiling and simulating the design. Fine. Thank you. Bye.